Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. This episode we will talk about the list, how to create list in Python. So as we can see that a list is a sequence of series of elements which are arranged in form of data types, as the list are mutable and can be modified and are listed under big brackets list. As you all know that list creation is very important as their list which are categorized in many types. So first is the numberless data type list and mixed list, so you all can't read this and understand carefully. Then we will perform the practical of this information by which we can get more effectively engaged. So read this carefully. So before you continue, I want to introduce new techniques to you all, some latest techniques. So guys, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So nice, we go ahead by performing in practical. So far performance practicals, we should always keep in mind about the square bracket because these play important role in programming.